Hello and welcome. Since its release, ChatGPT has been having profound impact on many fields, including data science. You can use ChatGPT to write R and Python codes for data analysis, which I have demonstrated in a previous video, the link to which is given in the description box. You can use it to debug the codes you have written. You can use ChatGPT's API to make your work easy in some libraries, for example, in Pandas 2. And with the release of ChatGPT's code interpreter plugin, you now do not even need to first write the code with ChatGPT and then copy and paste it into your an IDE. You can just feed the data to ChatGPT and it will do the analysis for you. This has led many to question if ChatGPT is going to replace data scientists. Consequently, you are seeing many blogs like these nowadays. So, let's see if ChatGPT can actually replace data scientists. Yes, ChatGPT is very powerful and it can do a lot of things, but it has certain limitations. The first the first limitation is that it is not going to come to you and help you out. You will have to ask the question, and the response will depend on how well you have asked the question. So you need to ask the right questions to get the right answers from ChatGPT. And to put the right question to ChatGPT, you need some knowledge. So ChatGPT cannot operate on its own. It will it will require a knowledgeable, a good question, which can only come from a human with some and at least some understanding of these concepts involved in data science. Secondly, it makes mistakes. And to spot those mistakes, you need knowledge again. So, if you do not have the knowledge of data science tools and techniques, you cannot spot the mistakes ChatGPT will make in writing codes or in conducting data analysis, and you might end up getting wrong results or even no results. And then it does not and cannot fully know the precise context. Only you know what a result means. It can give you the code to get a result, but when you get the result, only you can interpret, because ChatGPT cannot know the full context. It cannot interpret that result as this that result you will get. Only you can interpret the result correctly in the precise context of your problem. But the biggest limitation is that ChatGPT knows only what humans have already discovered or invented. The AI tools, including ChatGPT, lack the creativity of humans. They will help you implement existing techniques quickly, but they will not create new ones. So, it will help you run the algorithms that are already there, but you cannot count on ChatGPT to make something completely new and create some new technique which is not there. Only humans will do that. With a lot of data being generated every day, with a lot of new problems being created and faced by humans, it is the humans who will invent new techniques, who will find new ways of doing things, and ChatGPT and other AI tools cannot do that At least they cannot do it now. So ChatGPT is very good and it can help you a lot with implementing existing techniques. But we know that existing techniques are not enough for all of the problems we have today. To some of the problems require completely new tools and techniques which humans are trying to create. So, ChatGPT is no replacement for human mind. So, what should you do? Should you be afraid of ChatGPT or should you completely ignore it? No, you should not do either of these. In fact, you should learn more about how you can use ChatGPT to speed up your work. You should know, you should learn more about using ChatGPT to speed up your work. It will free up some of your time, which you can then use to increase your technical knowledge. I mean, by technical knowledge, I mean you do not uh, just have to know what function to use in a library. You should also know what is going behind that function. The knowledge of the techniques, knowledge of the mathematical and statistical knowledge behind different techniques will help you better understand those techniques, use them correctly, and use those techniques and tools in new contexts, and that will really help you. Then you should also learn more about the latest tools and techniques being developed. As I discussed previously, ChatGPT or other AI tools cannot develop new techniques. Humans are developing new techniques and tools. You should stay updated about these developments, and you should try to learn more and learn quickly about the new tools and techniques being developed. And then finally, you should invest more of your time in understanding business. This is a lot of people just do not understand the importance of understanding business. The tools and techniques are not just tools and techniques to be used for fun. They are supposed to solve practical problems, to which so data scientists should be investing more time in understanding the real business problems. They should invest more time in developing business acumen, because that is where ChatGPT lacks. It will give you a result, but only you, if you have understanding of the business and the context of the problem, will be able to rightly interpret and get maximum benefit from ChatGPT. So in conclusion, use the right way. ChatGPT presents more opportunities than threats to data scientists. The data scientists should use ChatGPT more often to speed up their work and do the routine works with the help of ChatGPT to save their time, and then invest that time in learning more about the new tools and techniques, and maybe even developing some of the new tools and techniques. Thank you for watching.